Good morning, my dear student. Today in our class, we are going to learn about how to find out the HCF of two or more numbers. HCF is the highest common factor, which is also known as the greatest common divisor. In the previous class, we had already studied how to find out the factors and the common factors of two or more numbers. So after finding out the common factors, we can easily find out the highest common factor of two or more numbers. And there are different methods to find out the HCF. We will learn about all the methods in detail today.
HCF is the highest common factor. It is the greatest factor that two numbers have in common with each other. HCF is also known as the greatest common divisor. There are three methods of finding HCF of two or more numbers. First one is factorization method. Second one is prime factorization method. And the third one is division method. But in today's video, we will discuss only the first two methods. In the first method, we will find the HCF of 32 and 24 by factorization method. First of all, we will find the factors of 32. All the possible combinations of writing 32 are 1 multiplied by 32 is equals to 32. 2 multiplied by 16 is equals to 32. 4 multiplied by 8 is equals to 32. So the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now find out the factors of 24. All the possible combinations of writing 24 are 1 multiplied by 24 is 24. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24 and 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now after finding the factors of 32 and 24, we will find the common factors. Here 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors. And the highest common factor among 1, 2, 4 and 8 is 8. So the HCF of 32 and 24 is 8. Second method of finding the HCF of 32 and 24 is by prime factorization method. In step 1, we will find the prime factors of the given numbers by the repeated division method. First of all, we will find the prime factors of 32. Begin with the smallest prime number 2. Divide 32 by 2, we get 16. On dividing 16 by 2, we get 8. Again, we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. And 4 divided by 2 gives 2. As 2 is a prime number, we divide 2 by itself. So we get the 1 as a quotient. So prime factorization of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now find out the prime factors of 24. Divide 24 by 2, we get 12. Now divide 12 by 2 to get 6. Divide 6 by 2 to get 3. 3 is a prime number, we divide by itself and get 1 as a quotient. So prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In step 2, we will circle the common prime factors of the given numbers. Here the common factors are 2, 2 and one more 2. In step 3, the product of the common prime factors of the number gives the HCF. So the HCF of 32 and 24 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. While solving the sums of exercise 3.6 question number 1, you will follow the prime factorization method. Now points to remember: the numbers 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite because they does not meet the definition of either one. HCF of two consecutive number is 1. For example, HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. For example, HCF of 2 and 4 is 2. HCF of two consecutive odd number is 1. For example, HCF of 3 and 5 is 1.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understood the concept. Try to do the exercise 3.6 question number 1 to 3 in your notebook yourself. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.